There's something very familiar about this. Here I am in the kitchen. Another box. Another box came. And you say, "Not again, Mitch." And I say, I can't help it. They just keep sending me this stuff. Far be it from me to complain. I'm talking about Typhur. Typhur, I just got done introducing, probably a little late to the party, the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer, which I absolutely love, and I've made videos about it, and I'm sold on it. And then they sent me the thermometer, which I absolutely love, and I'm sold on it, and I'm making videos with it. And I said, I just got done with the Typhur, and they said, but this product is not out yet. Nobody knows about it. It's brand new. I said, well, that would be a different thing for me to actually be, like we call, early adopter of something. And I looked at the product and looked at the literature, and I said, wow, that could be terrific. But I just got done telling everybody how great the Dome 2 was. But then they said, but this has a built-in thermometer. It's another air fryer. It's called the Typhur Sync Air Fryer, SYNC. It's half the price of the Dome 2. It doesn't have the self-cleaning. I don't know how hard it will be to clean yet. It's a taller basket fryer, type of air fryer. It's not meant to replace the Dome 2, but at the price and with some of the things you can do with that deep basket, like cook a whole chicken, cook a whole roast, cook proteins that are tall, and for the price, it may be something that really could benefit being on carnivore. If you don't want to spend the money for the Dome 2, or you have a use case where this much, they wanted to send me one, so they just released them. They sent them to me. You can't buy them yet. They're still on pre-order. I don't have any special links or discounts yet, but I will be getting them soon. But I thought I'd do it, kind of a first impression, first look at this thing, to see what I thought about the concept, and maybe I can be the first guy out there that actually makes a YouTube video about it, because I haven't seen any videos yet. So the thrill of being the first on the scene with this thing was something I couldn't resist. So I got it here. It says Typhur Sync Air Fryer on it. Kind of reminds me of my Kasori. I have so many different air fryers. It's not like any of them. And the technology in this is supposed to be cutting edge. And that's the thing about technology. And air fryers are technology, is that they advance so fast, like cell phones. Just as soon as you get used to the old one, some new one comes out with features you say, wow, I got to have that. So I'm going to unbox this thing right now. I haven't seen it yet. I've seen a picture of it, but that doesn't tell me anything. So I'm going to let you share in this unboxing with me. I'm not saying to buy it or not. I haven't cooked with it. But let's take a look at this. And if you're as curious as I am, and I'm curious about these things, you all know how I like gadgets. We'll come up with our first thoughts together, our first impressions. Keep from cutting myself to bits with this thing. Okay, in typical Typhur fashion, what we have here. and I will put the knife out of the way now so it doesn't fall on the floor like the last time. We have no dual boxes, so it's easier. We have the literature. We have, this is the size of the basket, and it is slightly smaller than the Dome 2, you can see, for as far as the footprint goes. So it doesn't have the room, but it has depth, and it's not designed, again, to replace the Dome 2. It's just the same ceramic coating on everything, no Teflon, PFAS free. We do have the thermometer. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this. And this is designed to be held magnetically right on top of the unit, but it's the same basic looking thermometer and technology as my Typhur Sync Gold thermometer. I noticed it's supposed to fit in there. I guess it's supposed to remove all this paper. It slides in. Gonna have to remove the paper. Put that down for now. It's the same 5 or 6 element thermometer that comes in the and in so many videos and articles I've read about these things, this is uniformly always comes out as a #1 best all around wireless thermometer. So I'm happy to see that. And Typhur seems to do a great job. They seem to do a great job with the quality and innovations in their products, which is why I've become a supporter of theirs. Okay, so get rid of the styrofoam here. Much less dramatic than lifting it up. There you go. The footprint is smaller. Wow, look at that. Bigger than I thought it was going to be, but that's quite a gadget. Wow, wow, wow. Now, there you go. It's got a deep basket. I know that on the Typhur Dome 2, their kind of lead thing was to bake pizza in it. You could bake big pizza. The lead thing for this air fryer is to be able to cook a whole chicken and have it do everything automatically. You put the thermometer in the chicken, and it goes through a whole pre-programmed cycle of different temperatures and different fan speeds and crisping times, and evidently it will roast an entire chicken for you. But one of the things they talk about with this is that it's perfect and designed for taller pieces of protein. So I imagine you could take a big chunk of brisket, a rib roast. We'll see, but that would be great. And for a carnivore, if you're able to cook big pieces of meat like that, and you got a meat slicer like I do, you can open up a lot of different avenues for variety. So we'll see. But right now, it appears that there's a thin plastic, as usual, on this thing that has to be peeled off. I see the air bubbles in it, but I don't see where to peel it. There we go. Here it is. So let's peel this off. It's always very satisfying. The probe, I guess, the temperature probe, we have to get rid of this label on it with all the cautionary stuff, which tells you how far to stick it in. It's very simple. There's a mark on it right here, and you got to have it up to that point, and the tip's got to be all the way in. This thing then fits into the holder like that. Push it down, and there's a charging and a magnet that holds it right in place there. So there we go. There we go. Let's let me go ahead and plug it in and see for grins. Plug it in, see how it lights up. Not going to cook anything right this minute. Maybe I'll cook something with it later. We'll see. But let me plug it in here. And let's just plug it in and see. It doesn't have a 3-prong plug. That's nice. We'll plug it in. And let me bring you over here so you can see the top of this thing. There you go. It's got a power button. Whoa, look at that. Holy cow. And it's got a little charge indicator here for the probe. When you take the probe off, you get all kinds of additional chicken, pork, fish. Look at that. Typhur Smart Cooking System, it says. Wow, wow, wow. So you put the probe back on and it charges it. You take the probe off and you get that whole menu. You have presets. Oh, this is going to be fun. You have a manual mode, a start button, air fry, roast, and bake down at the bottom here, temperature, and wow. And that's all comes with it. You don't have to buy anything else. This is going to be fun. You can connect to the Typhur app. So let's see what happens. Let's go into Typhur. Because my Typhur app already shows my Typhur Gold thermometers, my Typhur Dome 2, but I'll hit the plus key and Typhur Sync Air Fryer down at the bottom. So we'll hit that and it says enter pairing mode. Okay, press and hold the power button simultaneously for 3 seconds until the Wi-Fi indicator starts blinking. There it is, right there. There's the Wi-Fi. My device is ready. Yes. Pair the Sync Air Fryer. Now it's going to prompt me for my wireless network, and it's going to ask for the password. And hit connect. It's connecting. There it is. The thing stopped blinking. Next. Correctly insert the probe. It tells you instructions on how to do that. Ensure cleaning tips. The charging contacts are clean. Talks about the probe. Gives you instructions. Then you can go ahead and register it. And you can control it either from here or you can control it from the app. Well, and you can also extend the warranty up to 1.5 years if you do register. Let's get out of that. And now we can control the air fryer from here, and you can use the timer or you can use the probe, and that's how you would just tell it whether you want to cook by just timer or you want to cook with the probe temperature, and you go through it, and we'll go through that. So that's great. I can control all 3 of these gizmos with the one app. Now, here is the good news. Here's the good news. This thing's going to cost less than $200. Less than $200. It's going to be priced right down there with, I know that they're going to have an introductory deal. And if you go to their website, you can get it. I don't know. I'm supposed to get a discount code, so I would wait until, because this is not going to be out until sometime in early October. So I would wait for my discount code before you put an order. But they have evidently they're anticipating a huge initial influx of orders. It's evidently that good, and we'll see. And they're going to sell it initially for $150. And that's astounding. It's with the thermometer, which a decent Bluetooth thermometer with this technology is, the cheapest ones are $120. It's crazy. It's crazy. So there it is, my friends. There it is. The new, and maybe the first time ever, the Typhur Sync Air Fryer with a big deep basket. The built-in Bluetooth thermometer, which is as good as they come. This is one of the highest rated thermometers of all the ones tested. I've got video after video of these barbecue guys testing 5 or 6 or 10 of these. And Typhur always comes out in the top 3, the top 1. They're incredible, incredible. The range on these things is fabulous. So this is really, really neat. And for the price, holy cow, it's kind of a giveaway. But we'll be back. My first impression of this thing is wow. Thank you, Typhur, for sending me this. My only problem is I have to find a place to keep it. I have cabinets full of this stuff. But don't stop sending them. I'll keep talking about them. And if I think it's worthwhile, I'll become your biggest fan. And I've really become a fan of Typhur. Big time fan. Since I actually got the Dome 2 air fryer a little while ago. And I don't think this would replace that. Not in my mind. But if you need an air fryer, or your air fryer is getting old, or you want to be able to start doing really scientific type cooking, this might be the answer, especially for the money. Especially for the money. That'll about do it for this morning. Thanks for coming to visit. I've got my work cut out for me, and expect to see more videos about cooking in the Typhur Dome 2. Certainly videos about this thing, and maybe cooking some stuff we've never cooked in an air fryer before. I'm not a big whole chicken fan, but I gotta try it. So thanks for coming. My friends. You can, it's Saturday, my day off. I'm going to take the rest of the day off. You do the same. And we'll see you in the next one. But most importantly, eat meat.